And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you the toLowerCase and uppercase methods. We can use that to convert a string to lowercase or uppercase, and it's very easy to use. Let us declare a variable. I give that the value of, let's say, hello world. Let us use document.write. And we have two uppercases, H and W. The rest is lowercase. And if we now use, after the variable name, our two methods, we just write dot to lowercase, L and C are uppercase in this method name, and then empty parentheses. And then we refresh it, and you can see everything was converted to lowercase. And if we change that to uppercase, U and C are uppercase in this method, everything is converted to uppercase. As I said, super easy to use. Generally use the name of the variable, then dot, and then your method name, and leave the brackets empty. And this converts whatever is in that string to lowercase or uppercase. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.